Hello all, welcome to day 12's build habit session. And today what you have to do, you have to ask questions and clarify doubts. You should not feel hesitant to ask questions about words, phrases or grammar, and you can join forums or ask questions to your English trainer for clarification. That is, you should have some doubts, then only you will be able to make a topic very clear. You should think about the things that you study till now. You can write some sentences or write some words or even paragraphs, and I try to identify the mistakes from that. Okay, and then only you will be able to be very confident in writing also. So you have to do that and try conversing with your friends nearby or some people who are okay in communicating with you. If you have any doubts, ask our trainer. Okay, that's it. Today also I'll be giving you another set of words, and it is 6 in number, and the first one is give it a shot. Give it a shot. That means to try something even if unsure of success. You have to make a try. Okay, you have to attempt. If you don't know the portions of the exam, still you have to attend the exam. Otherwise you are cheating yourself, right? You are not studying, you are not going for the exam. That means you are cheating yourselves. You are not what showing honesty to the studies, or you won't reach anywhere if you are doing like that. So you have to try at once. Whether it is a loss or a success doesn't matter. You have to give a try. Sometimes it will be favorable. Okay, that's it. See the examples. I have never tried baking before, but I'll give it a shot. One person is telling that I haven't tried baking cakes or anything like that, but I'll try this time. Let me see how it is. Like that the person is telling. Anyways, he's willing to bake a cake. That is, he's ready to give a shot. And the next one, good luck, you might discover a hidden talent. And the person is replying, yeah, that is a very nice idea. You can discover a new idea, new talent or new skill. And the next one is, he gave it a shot and applied for the job. He gave it a shot means he just gave a try, and because of his luck and all those things, he got the job. And anyways, he gave the try. That is a main point that we have to note here. That's great. You never know unless you try. Whenever you try, then only you'll be able to get the result. That is the point here. And one more thing I will be giving you, one more word I will be giving you. First one is obsess. That means to focus too much on something or someone. That means if we are focusing too much into one particular thing, and if it is going somewhere, or if it is not available at particular time, we'll be in a depression. No, we are not getting something like that. So you should not focus on anything or anyone so close to heart. Everyone is close to heart, but don't make it so close to heart. Okay, and examples include, she is obsessing over the details of the party. Maybe she just wants to be perfect. That is, one girl is asking, repeatedly asking in a confusion or too much. She is focusing her party. That is the party which she hosts, and she is too much into that. Maybe she just want to be perfect, and the person is replying, sometimes she just wanted to be perfect. That's why she is participating. Next example, don't obsess about the mistake. It happens to everyone. You are right. I'll move on. Like, don't obsess to the mistakes. Don't look into the mistakes again and again, looking then feeling depressed. No, nothing like that. Everything gone is everything gone, and we are into a new life. And what you should not be obsessive. You should move on in your life with the new life that you got. That's the thing. Now the next word is agree, and it is a common word, right? And let's see its meaning. To have the same opinion or consent. That is, if we are having the same opinion or same suggestion or same attitude towards any particular problem or any issue, we will be agreeing, right? We have the agreement, right? Same agreement, right? That is the meaning. We'll look into that detail with examples. I agree with your point about teamwork. Glad we are on the same page. That in a team, like all the staffs will be giving their suggestions or their opinions, and if the manager or the higher official is okay with the agreement or okay with the suggestion, then they will be agreeing, they will be saying yes to that particular thing, right? Now the next example, do you agree with the plan? Yes, it makes sense. Some people are suggesting some plans and others are agreeing to that. The team members are agreeing to the team leader's suggestion and they are telling yes. So it's an agreement that they are saying yes together. That is the meaning of the word agree, and we use this word everywhere in our daily conversation. Now, one more usage I am going to give you, that is drive someone crazy. Drive someone crazy. It's a very nice usage and you can use it in your daily conversation. Let's look into the meaning. To annoy or irritate someone intensely, that is drive someone crazy means we are always irritating one particular person by telling many things like you are this, you are that, let's go there, let's go here, which is not comfortable to that person. So we are doing what? We are driving that person crazy. We are disturbing that person very much. See the example, her constant humming drives me crazy sometimes. Maybe she doesn't realize it's bothering you. Constant humming, that means a girl is always like singing some small tunes or something like that, and that is disturbing others, but she is not realizing that it is disturbing others. See the next example, the traffic today is driving me crazy. That is we are going to our office in our car and it is so much crowded everywhere, the traffic is very heavy, and we will be telling like the traffic today, that particular day's traffic made me mad. Okay, that is the meaning of this particular usage. And see the reply, hang in there, it will clear up soon. Like you wait patiently and it will get solved as soon as possible. That is a reply from the person who is hearing that. Now the next word is remind, and this word also we use it in our daily conversation. Most of the time we use it, and so understand the meaning. Meaning is to make someone remember something. That is, we are reminding someone to like think about that particular incident or particular plan we made. See the examples. Could you remind me to send the email? Sure, I'll note it down. There is a conversation between you and your manager or your higher official, and you are telling that, sir, let's plan some meetings on the coming week. And manager is replying, yeah, you will do that, but what you have to do, you have to remind me by putting an email to me. You have to mail all these details and just put a reminder. As a reminder, you can send it to me. That is the reply from the higher official or the manager. That is, we are reminding that person through the mail. See the next one, next examples. She reminded him about the meeting at 3 p.m. That's helpful for her. She reminded him about the meeting. That is, as colleagues, we are informing our colleague that yeah, we are having a meeting at 3 p.m. I am just reminding you. That means I am just making you or letting you know again. You should not forget. That is the meaning of the conversation or the usage. Remind. Okay. One more word I will be giving you, inform. Inform is also a commonly used word, and the meaning is to give information or notify someone. That is to inform, to let others know. To let others know about some particular case or problem or incident, let it be anything. See the examples. I need to inform you about a schedule change. I need to inform you about a schedule change. That means some meeting is organized, and because of some inconveniences with the participants, it is rescheduling to another time, or because of network problem, it is rescheduling to another time. So what is it, the person who is organizing the meeting should let others know that the meeting has postponed. So that is the meaning of inform, that is let others know. And the next example is she informed them about the upcoming event. That's good to hear. One team or a school has organized an annual day function on the coming month, and as a principal of the school, she is announcing that particular event or that particular function to others. That is, she is informing the whole school. That is inform or informed. Okay, these are the words that is there for you for today. Vocabulary activity for day 12. Again, you have given 6 new words. You have to do what? You have to frame, or you have to structure sentences using each of the words, and you can send it to your trainer and get it corrected. Try to include the words that you learned in the previous classes also, and make good sentences. Okay, so you can record the sentences, like you can record the sentences that you created, and you can write also, and then send it to your personal trainer and get it corrected. Okay, hope it's clear. All the very best.